Hello, my loving students. I will discuss on numericals of grouping of capacitors which are possible different arrangement of capacitors. So at first we know what is the way, what is the method to detect the capacitors are in series or in parallel. So we can understand by this arrangement. In this figure, 4 capacitors are connected. But we have to calculate, we have to find equivalent capacitance between points A and C. Between A and C. Between A and C. So just suppose, just imagine the given points are terminals through which charge enters and leaves. If charge enters at A, leaving at C, charge Q enters, so then it is divided in 2 parts. First Q1, second Q2. अब same charge is flowing across AB and BC. So we know that if 2 or more capacitors are said to be in series if same charge is flowing across them. In this figure, same charge Q1 is flowing across AB and BC. So both are in series connection. Another charge Q2 is flowing across AD and DC. So they are also in series. But charge is distributed in 2 parts, so they are in parallel connection. If same charge is flowing across all capacitors, so then they are in series. If charge is distributed at a point, so then they are in parallel connection. On the basis of polarities of the plates of the capacitor, if all positive charged plates are connected at one point, all negative are connected at another point, so then they are in parallel connection. Or if alternate positive to negative, negative to positive, positive to negative, alternately opposite polarities are connected, so then they are in series. So on the basis of these 2 concepts, each same charge is flowing, they are in series. Charge is distributed means potential difference be same, so they are in parallel connection. Second, in parallel connection, potential difference will be same, charge distributed. In case of series connection, charge will be same, but potential difference will be different at different points. In this question, in this numericals, we have to find equivalent capacitance between the point A and C. It is clear, if 6 and 6 both are in series and 6 and 6 are also in series. So we can write C1 is equal to 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, that is 6 by 12, 3 microfarad. We can also calculate by another method. 1 by C1 is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C. LCM C. 1 plus 1, 2 by C. So C1 is equal to C by C. So 6 microfarad by 2 is equal to 3 microfarad. So C2 is also 3 microfarad. Both are in parallel. The C equivalent C1 plus C2. 3 microfarad plus 3 microfarad is equal to 6 microfarad. अब equivalent capacitance of these two capacitors, 3 microfarad and another also 3 microfarad, both are in parallel. In parallel connection, C is equal to C1 plus C2. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 microfarad. Between points A and D, just charge enters A and leaves D. Between A and D. So then Q1 is flowing across these three capacitors. So these three capacitors are in series. 6, 6 or 6. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. C1 is equal to 2 microfarad. Between A and D, 1, 2 microfarad, 6 microfarad, this 2 microfarads. A and D. Q1, Q2. Keep the finger at these 2 points. So both are in parallel. So C value is equal to 6 microfarad plus 2 microfarad is equal to 8 microfarad. अगर किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच कैपेसिटेंस फाइंड करनी हो तो उस 2 पॉइंट्स को जस्ट इमेजिन टर्मिनल्स. 1 पॉइंट पे चार्ज इंटर्स एंड अदर पॉइंट चार्ज लीव्स, और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्जेस वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड the capacitors are in series or in parallel. You see in this question, between 2 points A and C, in another points between A and D. Then 2 cases charge is distributed in 2 parts, so same charge is flowing, so then they are in series or charge is distributed, so they are in parallel. Just between A and D, these three capacitors, when across three capacitors, same charge is flowing, Q1. So they are in series. Then at this point, charge divided in two parts, E1 and Q2. E1 and so through this part, through this capacitor, charge Q2 is flowing. So they are in parallel. So we can calculate, we can find equivalent capacitance C is equal to C1 plus C2. Another type of questions. Calculate equivalent capacitance between points A and B. In such arrangement of capacitors, at first imagine it is another point D, this point E, this point F. From A, there are two branches, there are two parts. Means, अगर A is the one terminal, तो then charge distributed in two parts. So at first, from this figure, A to E, another A to D, D to E or D to F, D to F, first from A to E, from A to E, from A to D, from A to D, from D to E, from D to F, next E to F, or from F to D. All capacitors having capacity 5 microfarad. The capacitors are arranged in this fashion. So we modify the grouping of capacitors in this form. Clear? From in this closed loop and this closed form, ratio of these arms are same, so then no charge will flow across this part. Q1, Q2, Q3 is equal to 0. So Q1, so Q2. In modified form, charge is distributed in two parts. So clearly, both are in parallel connection. Clear? If ratio of these arms AE to AD, EF or DF, AE, EF, AD, DF, ratio of all arms are equal, so no charge will flow across that part, across that capacitor, so it is negligible. So Q1 is flowing across both capacitors, so they are in series. Another same charge Q2 is flowing across both capacitors, so they are also in series. While in both parts charge Q1 and Q2 are distributed, so they are in parallel. So at first C1 is equal to C plus C into C. तो फर्स्ट इसमें जान लें हम लोग, in case of two capacitors in series, we can apply the formula 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 is equal to 1 by C. So C1 C2 by C2 plus C1, so C is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. In case of two capacitors, they are connected in series, so we can apply the formula C is equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. So C into C upon C plus C, C square by 2C, so C by 2 microfarad, C1. Another across AD and DF, also C2 is equal to C into C by C plus C is equal to C by 2 microfarad. Both are in parallel, just A, F, B. Between A and F, तो C by 2 और C by 2 means 5 by 2, 5 by 2 microfarad. So both are in parallel, both are in parallel. So C equivalent is equal to C by 2 upon C by 2 is equal to C. It is in series, so C into C upon C plus C, C square by 2C, C by 2 means 5 बटा 2 microfarad, मतलब 2.5 microfarad. The equivalent capacitance in this figure, in this arrangement of capacitors, is 2.5 microfarad. In another type of arrangement of capacitors, suppose C is equal to 5 microfarad and C4, C1, C2, C3, C4, 30 microfarad, 30 microfarad, and all having the value 5 microfarad, 10 microfarad, 15 microfarad, and 30 microfarad. Here, means C1, C2, C3, and C4 are arranged according to shown in figure. Value of C1 is 5 microfarad, C2 is 10 microfarad, C3 is 15 microfarad, and C4 is 30 microfarad. In such case, this terminal, suppose C, this D, this E, from this point A and D are connected by a simple wire, simple connecting wire, metallic wire. We know that according to sharing of charges, the charge will flow from one part to another part till both attains the same potential. So they are connected by same metallic wire. So A and D both are at same potential. So no charge will flow across A to D. So both, imagine, suppose both points as a same point. Yes, A or D. A or D. Both are common point. Another C and E. Both are also connected by same metallic wire. So C and E are at same potential. So no charge will flow across CE. So C and E are also common, या same point. C or E. So from A to C, from A to C. Another C to D, C to D. In third, D to E, D to E. Last, E to B. 30 microfarad, 5 microfarad, 10 microfarad, 15 microfarad. So all are in parallel because charges are distributed in three parts, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So they are in parallel connection. So C equivalent is equal to, या C1 is C dash is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 15 microfarad. So 30 microfarad. A to C और C to B. 30 microfarad, 30 microfarad. A to between A to E is 30 microfarad, and so A and E and E and B same charge is flowing, so they are in series connection. So C equivalent is equal to 30 into 30 by 30 plus 30. So 30 into 30 by 60. So 15 microfarad. In this case, we can calculate if two points are connected by a similar point. Another next question. similar capacitors, 5 microfarad, 5 microfarad, 5 microfarad. Calculate the equivalent capacitance between points M and N. M and N. Suppose A, B, C. N, A, B and C all are connected by simple metallic wire. So all trade behaves as a same common point. So N or A or B or C. To start from M. M to O. M to O. O to A. O to A. O to B. O to B. O to C. So in this figure, in this arrangement of capacitors, these three capacitors are in parallel because all are connected at different points through a metallic wire. So just treat as a common point. So N, A, B or C, it is a common point. So in this figure, M to O, another O to A, O to B, O to C. So all are in parallel connection. So C1 is equal to 3C or C equivalent is equal to 3 into 5 microfarad means क्या 15 microfarad. अब 15 microfarad and 5 microfarad. O M N. So they are in series. So 15 into 5 by 15 plus 5. 15 bata 4 microfarad. So equivalent capacitance is 15 by 4 microfarad. Another possible grouping of capacitors, an infinite ladder. It is infinite ladder. In this figure, 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad are arranged as shown in figure. We have to calculate equivalent capacitance between the points A and B. So imagine it is an infinite ladder. So imagine a suppose equivalent capacitance of this circuit B, C. It is the equivalent capacitance. It is the equivalent capacitance of the given circuit. So they are connected in this form in infinite ladder. So we may imagine if any term या any quantity is added या or subtracted या or multiplied in infinity, so there is no change. If infinity plus 5 is equal to infinity, infinity minus 5, infinity into 5 is equal to infinity. अगर it is multiplied by 0, तब then it is changed. लेकिन इस फिगर में all capacitors having finite value, तो we may imagine कि finite value is added, subtracted या और multiplied in infinity, so there is no change in the result. Clear? So equivalent capacitance of this circuit is C. अब imagine the minimum possible circuit. So it is the minimum possible circuit. इससे कम पॉसिबल नहीं है. अब इस मिनिमम पॉसिबल को इन्फिनिटी में जो इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस है उसमें आप जोड़ते हो या घटाते हो या मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगी. सो C into T both are in series. So C1 is equal to C into T upon C plus 2. One microfarad A and B C1. अब C1 and 1 both are in parallel. So equivalent capacitance is equal to C. C equivalent is equal to C is equal to, अब C1 and 1 both are in parallel. So C1 is equal to C into T upon C plus 2 और plus 1. So C is equal to 2C upon C plus 2 plus 1. So 2C plus C plus 2 by C plus 2 is equal to C. So C square plus 2C is equal to, फिर C plus 2, तो C square minus C minus 2 is equal to 0. So C square minus 2C plus C minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2C plus C is equal to minus C. So C minus 2 plus 1 C minus 2 बराबर 0. तो C plus 1 और C minus 2 is equal to 0. So C is equal to minus 1 microfarad या और C is equal to 2 microfarad. Negative is impossible. So equivalent capacitance of infinite ladder between points A and B is 2 microfarad. In such case, always imagine minimum possible circuit. or equivalent capacitance of this minimum equivalent capacitance is connected to the equivalent capacitance is always equal to the equivalent capacitance. The equivalent capacitance of these two capacitors is also equal to C equivalent. In this concept, if any finite value is added or subtracted or multiplied, so then there will not change in the result. Another possible questions: if dielectric slabs is introduced between the plates, calculate the equivalent capacitance in this figure. If a capacitor of surface area is A and separation between these plates is D, if dielectric slab of dielectric constant K1, K2 and K3 are filled or are introduced between these two plates in such fashion, so then at first one plate is one terminal means positive terminal, another plate is grounded and negative terminal. So first A, another B. So imagine charge will flow from positive to negative. So just charge enters, plus Q and क्या minus Q. So charge divided in these three parts. Charge are divided in three parts. So these three parts are in parallel connection. In this figure, in this circuit, only area is divided in three parts. So area of each part is A by 3. Separation between these two plates is D. So separation between all parts is D. So C1 is equal to K1 A by 3 epsilon naught A by 3 into D. So epsilon naught K1 A by 3D. C2 is equal to epsilon naught K2 A by 3D. C3 is equal to epsilon naught K3 A by 3D. So charge is divided in these three parts. These three parts. Charges distributed in these three parts. First part, second part and another third part. So they are in parallel connection. So C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So we can add all this individual capacity of the capacitors. करीब dielectric slab case, same charge is flowing across all parts. If dielectric slabs are introduced between the plates of the capacitor in such fashion, so then area of all plates, all dielectric slab be same but having different separations. So d by 3 and d by, so C1 is equal to epsilon naught A into K1 by d by 3. So 3 K1 epsilon naught A by d. C2 3 K2 epsilon naught A by d. C3 3 K3 epsilon naught A by d. In this case, same charge is flowing across all, so they are in series connection. So 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. We can solve after putting the values C1, C2 and C3. If charge is divided in 3 parts, K1, K2 and K3, so they are in parallel. Same charge is flowing across all, so then they are in series connection. So we can easily decide, easily detect imaginary capacitors are in series or in parallel. Another possible question in form of plates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point B. This point A is connected to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the equivalent capacitance between the points A and B in such fashion, in such pattern? So first we arrange the plates in such form. So 1, 1, it is 2. It is 2. It is 3. It is 4. Here the last 5. One, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. All are at the one terminal, the plus to the minus. So 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 are at positive terminal and 2 and 4 are at negative terminal. So 1, 3, 5 at positive or 2 and 4 are at negative terminal. B, it is A. It's positive and negative. Clear? कि 1, 3 and 5 all are at positive terminal. 2 and 4 are at negative terminal. So 1, 3, 5 are at one terminal and 2, 4 are at another terminal. So first C1, another C2, another क्या C3. First C1, C2, C3. So all are in parallel connection. All are in parallel connection. So we can calculate C1 plus C2 plus C3 and C4. Clear? So we can calculate, we can solve if these are placed in this form. Another numericals related, yes, similar to such question. What is the equivalent capacitance in these 2 points A and B? It is plus plus. It is minus minus. We also plate. So positive terminal, it negative. So plus plus. Due to negative terminal, so minus minus minus. So in this figure, 2 capacitors exist, C1 and C2. If area of this plate is A and separation between this plate is D, so then we can write C1 is equal to C2 is equal to epsilon naught A by D. And if a space between the plates is filled by air, so then we can write the C1 is equal to C2 epsilon naught A by D. Both are in parallel, so C is equal to C1 plus C2, the 2 epsilon naught A by D. A by D. Clear? Very another figure, if plus plus in such case minus 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 plus 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 plus. So first capacitor area A, all plates having same area A and separation between the plates is D. In such figure, in this given circuit, first capacitor C1, second capacitor C2, third capacitor C3. So first, second, third. Q minus Q minus Q plus Q minus plus Q minus Q. All are in parallel. So C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So epsilon naught A by D plus epsilon naught A by D plus epsilon naught A by D. So 3 epsilon naught A by D. It is the equivalent capacitance. Clear? We will discuss in last question of this class, if resistors are connected in circuit, so this resistor is affected by charge potential difference or not. So R1, R2 and R3, C और E is equal to 10 volt, is equal to 10 volt. So R1 is equal to R2 is equal to 4 ohm and R2 is equal to 5 ohm. R2 is equal to 5 ohm और C is equal to 5 microfarad. Calculate the charge on each capacitor in this circuit. So at first, trace they represent the direction of charge. Positive terminal, so charge Q, Q1 and Q2. Why? What is the reason in no flow of charge through resistor R2? So generally, through continuous path, current is flowing between the plates of the capacitor. There is a gap, so no charge, no current will flow from one plate to another plate of the capacitor. In such case, only charge will flow, charge will jump from one plate to another plate. Across continuous path, generally current is flowing. Across resistors, current flows. Across capacitors, charge will flow in such given circuit. So imagine कि no charge will flow across resistor. Charge only flow across capacitors. So charge is divided in two parts. So C and C both are in series, both are also in series. With respect to these 2 points, all are in parallel. All are in parallel. So potential difference will be same. करीब potential difference is 100 volt. So potential difference across this capacitor V1 is equal to 50 volt 50 volt. This across this capacitor is 50 volt. Both is equal to 100 volt. And A to B to C. Between A to C, potential difference is equal to 100 volt. Both capacitors having same value, so it is divided in two parts. So V by 2 is equal to 100 by 2 is 50 volt. So between A and B is 50 volt. Between B and C is also 50 volt. So Q1 is equal to C1 into V1. C1 5 10 power minus 6 into 50. So 250 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb on each capacitor. The same case, 50 volt across this, 50 volt across this. So charge on each capacitor is 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb. We will practice in next class with all the students. Thank you.